So today I learned that you can now make AI videos within Canva. And so I asked it to make this video, which is supposed to be a beach video. But before that, let's go back and see what prompt I gave it. So I asked it to do a realistic views from an airplane window. The camera zooms through the windows to capture a close-up shot of the clouds in the first 3 seconds of the scene. Then the clouds transition into a crashing waves. The camera pans left as it zooms out to show a low-angle shot of the sandy beach. The camera views slowly move along the beach and the luggage with the beach accessories comes into view. And so it went ahead and it created this video that I'm now going to play. So here it is. And so looking in this video, I thought it was pretty good. It's like a really good video, right? And so I wanted to see um, what it would do next. So I said to it, like, during the transition, the clouds should seamlessly transition into waves. And then it started to generate that. But while it generated that, I also wanted to see what would happen if I gave it the same prompt. So I opened another window and I paste that prompt and I asked it the same exact thing and it made this video. So I also thought that this video was really good. Apart from that waterfall thing that happened in the middle of the ocean. I'm not sure what that was, but I think the video was really good. So then I went back to the other video because by that time it had finished to see what it had presented. And then, of course, the video gave me this version. So this video isn't bad, but there are a few things that I didn't like. And the first one thing that I didn't like was is the white transition here. I'm not sure why it did that. Yeah, I'm not sure why it did that, but I didn't like that. But then, if you look closer to the end of the video, the umbrella, something is off with the umbrella. Right, so I didn't like that, whatever it did there. But it's still pretty good video, right? So then I went back and I said, all the transitions should be seamless. And then I left it to do its thing. And it did its thing. It said, oh, it might take up to 2 minutes. So just hang tight while I work on your video. And then it gave me this video. And I was like, yeah, no, this isn't it. This isn't it at all. But it's doing its thing, right? So then I went and asked it, like, what can we do to make the video better and more cinematic? And it gave me a bunch of things that it could try. And of course, I didn't read anything. So I said, okay, do that and update the video. It says, hang tight and we work on your cinematic video. And then it gave me this. And I was like, this is a lot better. I feel like I could have just download all of these videos and mash them together and then I probably get a complete video. But and then I wanted to like see if I could like take the second video that I generated in the other tab and see like if I could grab elements from it and then put it together in like CapCut or something of the sort. But then I decided I wanted to try another time. So I told it to do everything that it learned, but remember to do circular pans as you zoom out. And then it told me that you've reached your limit for this month and you'll be able to create more videos on August 1. So we only get you only get 5 video generations per month with a pro Canva plan.